Hello, this is a guitar tutorial for Love on Top by John Canada. It's actually a male cover version for Beyonce's Love on Top. So let's go for it. So the chords I'm using may not be beginner, so you'll be a little bit more familiar with some of the seventh or the quad chords. Okay. So let's start with the intro or the verse. The intro, the verse, and the chorus will have the same four chords. The first chord is a C major 7. C major 7 is mute or X, 3, 5, 4, 5, 3. I don't really use the first string. So C major 7. The second chord is F sharp minor 7, flat 5. And it's mute, 9, 10, 9, 10. See? 9, 10, 9, 10. F sharp minor 7, flat 5. The third chord is F major 7. Same form as the C major 7, but it's just on the 8th fret. So mute, 10, 8, 10, 9, 10, 8. Then again, I don't really use the first string. So I don't use the 6 and the first string. I just use the 5, 4, 3, 2. F major 7. And the last is the F/G, meaning G being the bass, which is this on the 5th string. So it's easy. It's mute, 10, 10, 10, 10. I don't use also the first string. So I don't use both the 6 and the first. So in all these chords, I don't use the 6 and the first string because I'm using my my finger picking anyway. Now, the way I strum is for each chord there are 4 beats or count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C major 7, 3, 4. F sharp minor 7, flat 5. F major 7, 3, 4. F/G, 3, 4. Now, when I do the intro and verse, I kinda do an arpeggio. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I just strum the 5th and then in succession 4, 3, 2. 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Honey, honey, I can see the stars all the way from here. Can you feel the glow on the... See? So just practice it. You can see my guitar cover video after this one. Now, for the chorus, let me jump on the chorus before we do the pre-chorus. I use the same chords, but instead of finger picking or plucking individual notes, I kind of strum them at the same time. Baby, it's you. You're the one I'm calling. 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's the same. I strum the 5th, 4, 3, 2. But instead of what I do in verse, I just strum the same. There you go. So that's for the intro, the verse, and the chorus. Now, how about the pre-chorus? The pre-chorus is slightly different. You need 5 chords. D minor 7. D minor 7 is mute 5, 7, 5, 6, 5. I may not use the first string. So mute 5, 7, 5, 6, 5. The next chord is the A minor 7. Now the A minor 7, it's a little bit different. I'm not using the 6th string. It's mute 0, 5, 5, 5, mute. So I'm using the A, the free string, meaning open string, and then I just I use my fingers to on the 5th fret on the 3rd, 4th. Sorry, the 4th, 3rd, and 2nd string on the 5th fret. The third chord is the E minor 7. E minor 7 mute 7, 9, 7, 8, 7. I may not use the first string. And then the fourth chord is the A7 sharp 5. So that's 5th mute 5, 6, 6 mute. And then I'll just do an A7. And you will understand why that is. 5th mute 5, 6, 5. So I'm just moving this pinky, and you will see the drawing in here. Okay. Now, like the verse and the chorus, you have 4 counts, except for the A7, the last two chords. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm sorry. A minor 7. And then, so it's just G, A, C, A, C, D, E. Again, G, A, meaning they're all on the 6th string. 6th string, 3rd fret, 6th string, 5th fret, 5th string, 3rd fret, go again to the 6th string, 5th fret, and then all on the 5th string. Baby, it's you, you're the woman. It goes to the chorus. Okay, and you can just review this after. After the second chorus, after the verse, second verse, you have the pre-chorus, and then you have the chorus. What they do in the next one is they move. Is to have a higher key, 1/2 note higher. So instead of a C major 7, you just move it to C sharp major 7. And then instead of an F sharp, you use a G minor 7 flat 5, then an F sharp major 7, and then an F sharp G sharp. So let me do that. So after the second chorus, this will be the third chorus, which is just 1 key higher. C sharp major 7 is X 4 6 5 6 4, and again I may not use the first string. And then the second one is a G minor 7 flat 5, meaning X 10 11 10 11 X. And then F sharp major 7 is mute 9, 11, 10, 11. I may use the 9 or I may not use the 9. In this case, I'm not really using the 9, but that's... And then the last is F sharp, G sharp. So it's just one 1/2 note higher. Maybe it's you, Now you will also note when I transition from the when we transition to this 1/2 higher, I did use an A flat major 7. So and then A flat major 7 before I transition to the C sharp major 7. After the chorus, it goes up another 1/2 note or higher on the fret. So instead of a C sharp, it's moved to a D major 7. Okay, so let's do it that way. So D major 7 is X 5 7 6 7 mute or 5. And then I use a G sharp minor 7 flat 5, meaning it's X or mute 11 12 11 12, G major 7 instead of an F sharp, X or mute 10 12 11 12 10, and I may not use the 10, and then a G slash A, which is really a mute 12 12 12 12. So the same as before, if we start with the C sharp major 7, then I use an A major 7 to transition. There you go. You have all the chords. You just need to review and practice, and you should be able to get it. Okay, thank you. Till next time. Bye.